Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to test that drain pump ASCOL replacement drain pump 360 RVM dishwasher drain pump. Okay, I'm going to use that Golo jumpy starter, my favorite jumpy starter, GP 2000. Okay, I'm going to hook up that wire cable. Alright. Can you see that metal thing? Then I'm going to use a metal pin for one of the red side, like that. Then other one going to black. Okay, like that. To turn on. Okay, has a boost button. Alright. It doesn't matter, you can put black or any side or red or any side. Okay, I'm going to use black. Okay, now you can see this work. Alright guys, that's the way how to test with the jumpy starter. If you don't have jumpy starter, then you can use your fingers and the pan can go like that. You can see that compression. If you not feel that compression, that's mean the drain pump is not good. If you not feel that compression, is gonna be spin, pre-spin, not without the compression. Alright guys, that's the way how to test the drain pump. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.